Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum continues to be quite weak, weaker than Bitcoin. Today we see a bit of a rebound there, a bit of a bounce from the support region. Early yesterday, we already saw let's say a deeper correction coming. At the time, we were still around 2,700 and the price broke down quite quickly to the 78.6 retracement support here at 2390. So what are the different patterns here that are currently relevant? So the first pattern here, which is sort of the best case, I think, is here the white count, where we're dealing with a scenario in which wave 4 bottomed, larger wave 4 on the 5th of August. We had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, then an A-B. This is a B wave pullback. Similar pattern I'm observing on the Bitcoin chart. And then next we could get a C wave rally to complete wave 3, then get a wave 4 and a wave 5. This would be part of a diagonal pattern in which the white subwave structure is completing waves 3, 4 and 5 in yellow. So it just shows the white count is just a different subwave structure here, and shows that we should ideally get to round about $3,100 in wave 3 at least. But condition is that we are holding 2,390, or at least don't get a sustained break below it. Well, if we do, then we have a larger wave 2 that's likely unfolding with support at 2,200. It's slightly different pattern. That pattern is also possible as a large wave 1. And then this is a large wave 2, and we would have to form 3, 4, 5 from there. In this case, a slightly larger correction is okay. And here support is at 2,200. If we break below that level, a test of the $1,800 region will become far more likely. And that would be within a reset of the larger fourth wave. But to maintain the perspective that wave 4, you might hear the dog in the background, to maintain the perspective that wave 4 has bottomed, we need to hold, first of all, a higher low, but ideally above 2,200. And for a more bullish scenario, even 2,390. And yesterday we were coming down here, and I posted already an update early in the day. Yeah, this was here, this update that I posted on Discord. And you see the price was at the time still at 2,650. We already saw the price come down into that support region and prepared for such a, let's call it a mini crash. Really a mini crash, nothing too unusual in crypto. You see it here if I open the browser. Support zone hasn't changed, and the price definitely didn't waste any time getting to that 2,390 level. I mean, if we have a support area on the chart, it's not necessarily a target, it's just support for a certain scenario. And it doesn't need to be maxed out, but in this case, it has been maxed out. And the communication that came with that signal came, the price is broken below the upper support zone. In the best case, that's the best case scenario, wave B of 3 is unfolding now. So, you know, the white B wave. Key support at 2,390. So the idea of those updates is, if you're, for example, watching the videos, or if you're a gold member, you get some more updates, then idea is to prepare you for certain scenarios, and also mentally, but also potentially financially, prepare you for a correction that could, in this scenario, in the best case, take us down to 2,390, maybe even lower. So in the short term, I don't know if it's the yellow count or the white count or something more bearish. Clearly, the trend is down now. So I want to just make sure it's clear that it doesn't matter so much whether I label this now as yellow wave C of 2, or it's the B wave pullback, or maybe even something more bearish. The trend from the Saturday high is down, and it takes minimally a break above initial resistance to indicate that the next kind of move up has started and we don't get another low. And the resistance is 2,568. So I've adjusted that today in line with the latest edition of the microstructure here, which allows for definitely easily one more low, at least. So there is no low in place until we break above 2,568. So we need to watch that level today. And against that level, the trend is still down. So yeah, that's the update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.